All right, we're doing the Saugatuck Brewery. They're from Michigan. It's Darker Than Your Soul. All right, well, this is 6.5 alcohol by volume.
All right.
54 IBUs.
Right on. Oh, so it's gonna be pretty malty too with, with that amount of bitterness in there.
Okay.
All right.
Yeah, so Douglas, Michigan is where these guys are from. So
this is what she looks like.
Kind of turn it a little bit. Oh, that's definitely a stout smell.
Well, no shit, and kind of alcoholic smelling.
Oh yeah,
right off the bat.
Yeah.
Dang.
Very coffee.
Yeah, really roasted. Yeah, brown malt, roasted barley kind of flavor. Some darker crystal malts in there.
Yeah.
That's good. Oh, yeah, and then it just gets even more toasted.
Oh, yeah.
As it kind of goes.
As it simmers on the tongue there.
And you don't taste a bit of that bitterness either, you know?
No,
It's just all that hop is there just to balance out that malt.
Ends up pretty smooth.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's nice and easy.
Not sweet and long, but not short and dry either. Just kind of right in the middle there.
Yeah. That is very interesting. I like it.
Little bit of almost like coffee bean, like tiny bit of coffee bean bitterness, coffee bean earthiness, and kind of
There's almost a nut flavor to it.
Yeah, a little nutty. Yeah.
Can't pinpoint which kind, but it's there.
Yeah, almost like a hazelnut or something. Yeah, rich, malty.
I'm seeing fucking beef and desserts.
Absolutely. Slow roasted prime rib. You know, medium rare, right? With a nice, like crisp on the outside.
This might be good to, like if you have like a smoker barbecue or something, you can kind of pour this on the smoke chips a little bit, and kind of get that flavor in there.
Yeah, you could.
The essence a little bit.
Yeah.
That's fucking, I like that.
Yeah, you could.
It's rich enough and dark enough where it's like, it'll stick.
And you put it in your marinade, you put it in your barbecue.
Oh, yeah.
You know, this would be good for curing your salmon or something before you smoked it, you know, when you got it in your brine. A little of this in the brine. This would be good with any kind of pork. This would be great with beef ribs.
Oh, yeah.
It'd be fantastic where you'd smoke them real long, but then you might just do an extra little something to it, like searing them on a super hot barbecue grill where you get a little bit of char on the outside, you know?
Right. Well, this would also be good for like crock pot. Like,
yeah, like a pot roast?
Oh, yeah, pot roast.
Oh, man.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Fucking pork roast.
Yep.
Beef.
Yeah, some good starchy russet potatoes in there, you know, and then like some good Walla Walla sweet onion, and and some fucking beef in there to make some good pot roast.
Throw a
little
fucking
beef base and like a lot of black pepper.
Yeah. Red or green pepper in there too, hacked up. Fucking mushroom even. This would definitely complement mushroom.
A little bit of sage, a little bit of fresh rosemary.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
I can also see this, you know, this would be good with, like if I was going to go the pork route, I might do something a little bit stronger, right? Like I could take a pork tenderloin and splay it out and pound it nice, and then I could stuff it with all sorts of things, you know, like some good Kalamata olive, you know, some feta cheese. I could put some sun-dried tomatoes in there.
Oh, yeah.
I could put a lot of like cracked black pepper or maybe some green peppercorns in there with it, you know, and roll that up and then sear that off in a pan with real hot oil. Maybe even throw some garlic inside or some smoked garlic inside, and then I do a pan sauce, you know, deglaze that sear with some of this here and maybe just a little bit of some red wine or something.
Oh, yeah.
Throw some butter in there, some cold butter, and whisk that in at the very end, and oh
Yeah.
man, it'd be fantastic. Some charred scallion in there or something. Yeah. But it'd be good with beef too, you know, doing kind of something similar like that, where you had some green peppercorns and you had this, and maybe a little beef stock and some brown sauce, and you whisk all that together with some good, rich, unsalted butter, and yeah,
That's awesome.
be all right. This would be great with some desserts too.
Oh hell,
Have this
yeah.
with some cheesecake, some nice, dry, dense, baked cheesecake.
Yeah. Like anything like gingerbread, that kind of area, pumpkin spice bread.
Yeah, ginger spice would be good with this. Yeah, some yeah, pumpkin might be good too. You could do like some sweet potato chips or something with
Oh,
some
yeah.
beef, you know, and those on the side, and
some pies too, like blueberry
or like a sweet potato mash in your dough for some pasta. Do like some sweet potato angel hair or something with some tomato and some caramelized onion, and
oh yeah.
you know, maybe a little like shredded roasted pork, or some like some kind of sweeter pork sausage meatballs or something with that sweet potato pasta, you know. Yeah, be good with this.
This would be good with like blueberry or apple pie.
Yeah,
Again, peach cobbler, like this.
or maybe even something a little bitter like a rhubarb or something.
Oh
you know?
yeah, yeah.
It would kind of offset a little bit.
Yeah. Fucking huckleberry, like something that's kind of tart, you know.
Yeah, this is a hell of a beer. I mean,
Yeah, it's very versatile, very tasty. Honestly, it's pretty easy drinking.
it really is. I mean,
So-
what was the alcohol in this?
It was 6.5, I believe.
6.5. Yeah, it is 6.5.
Cinnamon roll.
You know, a real heavily frosted double chocolate brownie or something. I
Yeah.
mean, all that's going to go well with this. It's
Yeah.
going to go great with chocolate. It's going to go great with, you know, sharp white cheddar cheese. It's going to go great with nuts. It's going to go great with beef. I mean, it's being as malty and heavy and a little bit of sweet in the end as this is, you know, with all of that like toasted, roasted flavor, that coffee, those coffee bean kind of notes to it, those nutty notes like you were saying.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
I mean, this is just going to go with everything.
Yeah.
Absolutely everything.
That's a plus there.
Yeah.